Hey guys, Sabron Walker here. Well, with all of the talk about the recession, I wanted to reach out to you and say that I am doing a virtual marketing boot camp on Saturday, July 2nd. It's going to be from 8 in the morning till 1:30 in the afternoon with a bit of time after that from 1:30 to 2 for networking and Q&A. This is going to be it's going to be virtual, so it'll be a webinar, but it's going to get really deep into SEO, your website, whether you've got one or not, but how to get a productive website. Then it's getting into video, YouTube, how to set up your YouTube channel. We're actually going to get into the details of how you get that YouTube channel set up properly, and then how do you do videos to put on that channel to reach your target audience. We're going to get into social media, into pay-per-click advertising, Facebook advertising, using video in your advertising. We're going to get into all these subjects and delve into it deeply so that you have the tools to protect your business and grow your business no matter what is happening with the economy. Okay, so recessions are times for us to really put on the coals, really put in the energy to reach out to our target audience, capture them, communicate to them, and beat the competition. There are so many great examples of companies who take advantage of times of recession and grow massively, all right? So for this reason, I'm doing this virtual marketing bootcamp again on July 2nd. Okay, it's going to be for half the day on July 2nd. I want to get everybody there that we can. I have discounted tickets right now to $99 if you purchase them before Monday, June 6th. Okay, so I hope, I put it at $99 so that everybody can be there and we can spend 5 hours together. It's not only going to be me, it's going to be me, an SEO expert, a local events expert who is also expert on influencer marketing, an expert on social media advertising, a business organization expert. So there's a link below with lots more details, information on all the speakers, but I put this together and I wanted to reach out to you right now so that you can come to this virtual marketing bootcamp on July 2nd. So put it in your calendar and check out the link. I hope to see you there.